You know, the holidays are coming, and more than ever now, we need to remind ourselves the reason for the season. Hi, my name is Diana, and I was sent this beautiful nativity setup in return for this video. I want to go over some of the features. People tend to have questions. You can't really touch and hold something, so I'm hoping I can answer some of those questions for you because it truly is beautiful. I love that it's just kind of one thing you pull out of a box setup, not a whole lot of pieces. Kids are going to knock over. It's just something that will last for a long time and bring you a lot of joy. So let's go over everything and you can decide if it's a fit for you. It comes in two styles, a white and gold combo or a more natural color palette. I went with the white and gold, but honestly, both are beautiful. It's about 12.5 inches wide, so it fits nicely under a tree, on a bookshelf, or even on a TV stand. It's made from solid resin, so it's got a nice weight to it, not flimsy or plasticky. It's sturdy and feels like something you'll pass down. This already has LR44 button batteries inside. You just need to pull the little plastic tab that is hanging out the back of this compartment to make the connection. There's a gentle light that shines right down on baby Jesus. The angel above has these soft white wings and hands folded in prayer. Well, as you can see, setting it up in a nice, beautiful display, some greenery around it on the fireplace mantle or just on a coffee table, it looks stunning. So if you're looking for a great way to remind you of what the season is about, definitely check out this nativity scene.